You guys, welcome back to another video. I know I haven't recorded in a while. Um, so, yeah, I have some slime here. And, yeah. And I am going to be showing you guys some ASMR. So, yeah. So, first one is this. Okay, guys. Next one is rolling it up into a ball and squashing it down. So, for example, like this. So, yeah. Then next up is you get a angle. So like, hold on guys. Yeah, I forgot to mention it is actually free on right now. And I just turn around and I see this. It says, once upon a time there was a little girl who was called Peyton. She came to draw I don't even know what it says, but like there's like that thing and then that thing. So something like right there. But anyway. That's my slime playing.